Let's be honest. Have you ever wondered why Collaboard even has frames and whether you really need them? In this video, I'll show you exactly that. How frames work, how to create and edit them, and when they actually make sense. That's what today's video is all about. To frame or not to frame. Frames are more than just simple borders. Think of them like display cases or slides. Everything inside a frame is automatically grouped and moved together with the frame. This means content moves with the frame even if objects inside are locked or pinned. They get hidden together with the frame, they duplicate it along with the frame, and they move forward or backward together with the frame. Pretty handy, right? Frames are perfect for structuring, presenting and navigating. They make content clear and cohesive. Tip: you can also create a quick link for a frame. This makes it super easy to navigate large boards. How to create a frame? Click the frame icon in the left toolbar and choose your preferred frame. Place it on the board with a click, or drag it to set the right size immediately. Or select multiple objects, open the context menu and choose Create Frame. Collaboard will instantly place a frame around your selection. How to edit a frame? You can rename it by clicking on the frame. Or delete the title entirely if you don't want text. You can also change the frame type, for example from custom to A4. In the frame menu, you can duplicate, delete, or arrange the frame. Choose a background color. Optimize size and alignment with center content. And fit to content. Click the 3-dot menu to access all the usual object functions. Important notes: tables and mind maps work independently. They don't belong inside a frame. Also, avoid frames within frames. Not only does it make your structure confusing, but it also becomes unnecessarily complicated and nested. Extra tip: sometimes you don't need a full structure at all. In that case, use shapes, lines or tape to visually highlight areas. Especially in large creative boards with many layers, these visually boundaries are ideal, while frames are more for a clean standard look. If you want to organize, structure or present content, use frames. If you just want to visually highlight or separate content, especially in complex creative areas, use shapes, lines or tape. And that answers our original question: to frame or not to frame. Now you know exactly when a frame makes sense and when it doesn't.